Sean Diddy Combs is facing mounting pressure as his federal trial for sex trafficking and racketeering looms closer, set to begin on May 5, 2025. The latest revelation that Usher, a longtime associate of Diddy, is expected to testify has sent shockwaves through the case and left Diddy scrambling to suppress critical evidence. The trial has already garnered significant attention due to the severity of the charges against Diddy. Federal prosecutors allege that he orchestrated an enterprise involving sex trafficking, forced labor, and other crimes over decades. With over 100 electronic devices seized and evidence from raids on his Los Angeles and Miami homes, the prosecution has built a formidable case. Now, Usher's testimony could become a pivotal moment in the proceedings. Usher's role in the trial. Usher's connection to Diddy dates back to the early 1990s when he was sent to live with Diddy as a teenager to learn about the music industry. Over the years, Usher has spoken about his time under Diddy's mentorship, describing it as both eye-opening and troubling. Allegations have surfaced that Diddy exposed Usher to adult environments at an inappropriate age, including parties involving drugs and sex. These claims have resurfaced in light of Diddy's legal troubles, with reports suggesting that Usher may testify about his experiences during that period. Usher's testimony could be damaging for Diddy as it may corroborate allegations of grooming and exploitation. Prosecutors are likely to use this testimony to establish a pattern of behavior consistent with the charges against Diddy. Usher has previously mentioned that he was exposed to environments that were beyond his understanding at the time, which could support the prosecution's narrative that Diddy systematically exploited young artists. Also, Usher's involvement with Diddy extends beyond his personal experiences. The two have maintained a professional relationship over the years, with Usher benefiting from Diddy's influence in the music industry. However, if Usher testifies against Diddy, it could signal a significant shift in their relationship and potentially damage Diddy's defense. Diddy's legal strategy. In response to these developments, Diddy's legal team has filed motions to suppress evidence obtained during raids on his properties and from his electronic devices. They argue that the search warrants were unconstitutional and based on misleading information presented by the government. According to Diddy's lawyers, key details were omitted from the warrant applications, and some allegations came from unreliable sources. The defense has also accused federal agents of conducting military-style raids and leaking sensitive information to the media, further complicating Diddy's ability to receive a fair trial. Despite these efforts, legal experts believe it will be challenging for Diddy to exclude all evidence given the scope of the investigation. Diddy's legal team is also attempting to frame the charges as racially motivated attacks on a successful Black entrepreneur. They argue that the prosecution is targeting Diddy because of his success in race, rather than any actual wrongdoing. However, with over 120 alleged victims coming forward and Usher's potential testimony looming large, this narrative may not hold up in court. Fallout among legal counsel. Adding to Diddy's woes, one of his top attorneys, Anthony Rico, recently filed a motion to withdraw from the case due to irreconcilable differences. This departure comes alongside reports that a prominent law firm representing Diddy for over 20 years has also dropped him as a client. These developments suggest internal turmoil within Diddy's defense team, raising questions about their ability to mount an effective defense. Anthony Rico's decision to step down highlights the complexity and sensitivity of the case. While he cited irreconcilable differences, the exact reasons remain unclear due to attorney-client privilege. However, his departure indicates that there may be significant challenges within Diddy's legal team that could impact the trial's outcome. The law firm of Grubman, Shire, Meiselas, and Sachs, which has represented Diddy for decades, has also parted ways with him. This firm is known for its high-profile clients, including Madonna and Chris Brown, and its decision to drop Diddy suggests that the firm may be distancing itself from the controversy surrounding the case. The stakes for Diddy. The stakes could not be higher for Sean Combs. If convicted, he faces decades in prison, effectively ending his career and tarnishing his legacy as a music mogul. His legal team has attempted to frame the charges as racially motivated attacks on a successful Black entrepreneur. However, with over 120 alleged victims coming forward and Usher's potential testimony looming large, this narrative may not hold up in court. Diddy's reputation and influence in the entertainment industry are also at risk. His ability to continue producing music, managing artists, and maintaining his business empire hangs in the balance. The trial's outcome will not only determine his personal freedom, but also the future of his professional endeavors. Justin Bieber's connection. Another figure linked to Diddy and Usher is Justin Bieber. Reports suggest that Usher played a role in managing Bieber early in his career, and there are allegations that Bieber was exposed to similar environments as Usher during his time under Usher's mentorship. While Bieber has not publicly commented on these allegations, his recent decision to distance himself from Usher and Diddy has raised eyebrows. Justin Bieber's involvement in this narrative adds another layer of complexity. If he were to speak out or testify, it could further bolster the prosecution's case against Diddy. However, Bieber's silence on the matter has been notable, leaving many to speculate about his experiences and why he has chosen not to comment. Industry implications. The trial has broader implications for the entertainment industry. It highlights issues of exploitation and abuse of power that have long been whispered about but rarely addressed. If Diddy is found guilty, it could lead to increased scrutiny of industry practices and potentially pave the way for more victims to come forward. Moreover, the trial could expose a culture of silence and complicity within the industry. Many have questioned why more figures have not spoken out against Diddy or similar figures accused of misconduct. The outcome of this trial may influence whether others feel empowered to speak out or if the status quo remains unchanged. What lies ahead? As the trial date approaches, all eyes will be on how both sides prepare their cases. For prosecutors, securing Usher's testimony could strengthen their argument that Diddy's actions were part of a long-standing pattern of abuse. For Diddy, suppressing evidence and discrediting witnesses like Usher will be critical to his defense. The trial promises to be one of the most high-profile legal battles in recent history, with implications extending beyond Diddy's personal fate. It could expose deeper issues within the entertainment industry regarding exploitation and abuse of power. The outcome will not only determine Diddy's future, but also potentially reshape how the industry addresses these issues. The upcoming trial of Sean Diddy Combs is a pivotal moment in the ongoing saga of allegations against him. With Usher's potential testimony and the mounting evidence against him, Diddy faces significant challenges in his defense. As the case unfolds, it will be crucial to watch how both sides navigate the complexities of the trial and how the legal system addresses the serious allegations brought against Diddy. If you found this breakdown insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this case and other breaking stories. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think justice will prevail?